I'll have you note I did pay my fee, so I'm not a criminal. And there's a little map where you can go around. There's a museum, but they got the road blocked off there, so I guess the museum's closed. Oh well. Well, this is the Fort Churchill ruins, and spoke to the park guard. He said, no, you can't fly the drone over top of the ruins. You can fly it around the peripheral, like from the campground or the other side of the road, and I did that. But yeah, you can see them a little bit here, so. And please stay on trails, restore ruins. A lot of bugs here. I didn't bring any bug spray. I didn't think I would need it. So, and I'm on my last battery on the GoPro here for today. And I don't know what this is here. Oh, here's a sign. What is, oh, the bakery. Oh, I'd like to get a couple of croissants. This is the bakery here. Yeah, that'd be good. Get some good baked goods, some bread, some biscuits. That tastes really good. All right. I'm going to spend some time walking around here. And well, it's not too bad here. I was able to get the drone. I was up a little high and I got a wind warning, so I had to come back down low. But these little gnats or whatever driving me crazy here. So let's walk up this way and see here what we got. Oh, this was the hospital. Can't go inside. I gotta stay on the trail. So you can just see. It's like the adobe walls or whatever. Now I got bugs flying in my ears here. Drive me crazy. Let's see some more up here. Okay. There's Quartermaster Storehouse. Keeps all the goods in there, I guess. We got another sign up ahead here. And see what this sign says. A little warm out here today. Must be 70s maybe. A little storehouse here. You can stop the vid if you'd like to read that. This is the commander's office. Yes. It's like a nice little office in there. Some windows, some good views, and everything. Let's see what these big ones are up here. These are the officers' quarters. These are 1.5 story buildings. Adobe walls 20 inches thick, wide porches. Not much left of them now, but it said officers considered Fort Churchill a luxury assignment. All right, that's what we like, luxury assignments. I'm always looking for those. In the officers' quarters, as maybe like that other sign said, 1.5 stories high. I don't know if they had a open air porch on the top or not there, but those 20-inch thick adobe walls keep you cool in the summer and hopefully warm in the winter. If you had a stove or a fireplace or whatever in there, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to walk all the way out there. There's only a couple buildings that are kind of torn down, so I think I'll go back this way here. Well, let's check out this one here. Looks more in better shape. The laundress's quarters. Oh, they got some. Theirs held up quite well. Maybe the ladies took better care of it there. Allowed for laundresses. Women who lived in this 4-room structure. Back-breaking laundry, spit and polish, living quarters, daily ration. Soldiers paid for the laundry service. Many times they were wives of enlisted men. All right. And I guess I can't walk around here because I got to stay on the trail. But there it is. Yeah, I got those gnats flying in my ears again here. All right, let's go back out here. Another couple spots to hit. Well, this one is the powder magazine for all their cannons and shells and bullets and whatever. No windows in that one, of course. Just pieces of it have fallen down. And there's another one up here. I don't know what this one is. All right, I'm going to walk up here. I need the exercise. This is guardhouse. 2 front rooms served as office and quarters. Cell block contains some cells if they put you in the hooch in the jail. This building held assorted deserters, drunkards, brawlers, thieves, and other criminals. Here, well, I guess so here. So, all right, heading back to the car now. Alrighty.